Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with some banana pudding waffles. I put a poll on my community tab and this is what won. So if you guys are interested in learning how to make this, stay tuned. So first we're gonna start off with some room temperature cream cheese. Y'all already know I have cream cheese in almost all of my recipes. And then we're gonna add in a half a can of sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna beat these until they're smooth. Now you're going to want to at least stop halfway and scrape down the sides of your bowl and then continue to beat until smooth. Once your cream cheese mixture is nice and smooth, we're gonna add in our 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, and then you're just going to fold that in. Once you're done folding in your Cool Whip, it should look all smooth and velvety like this. Then you're going to place your pudding mixture in the fridge while we prepare our waffles. So now for the bananas in our banana pudding waffles, I'm gonna take actual bananas. I don't like bananas in my pudding, y'all. I'm the type that does not like bananas in my banana pudding. Do not give me banana pudding with bananas in it. But anyways, I'm gonna incorporate those bananas in the batter because it makes it much better. And we're gonna mash these up. And then I'm gonna add in my sugars, which is white sugar, and then I have brown sugar. And I'm gonna take some melted butter, not margarine, and we're gonna add this to our bananas. Now, I did forget to add in my eggs and my sour cream here, so make sure you add in your eggs and your sour cream to your banana mixture. So now I'm gonna add in my Mexican vanilla extract. You can add in regular vanilla extract, but I love the way Mexican vanilla tastes. So now you're gonna see me add in my flour, my baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Your cinnamon is optional. You do not have to add this in. Here are my eggs and sour cream that I forgot to add in. Y'all, don't do this. Make sure you add this into your bananas, not after you add in your flour. That's a big no-no when it comes to baking. Make sure your flour is your last and pretty much your last ingredient. So this is what it looks like once it's all nice and incorporated. I did have to add in a little bit of milk. So if your batter is a little thick, you can add in a couple of tablespoons of milk. So now we're just gonna make our waffles with a waffle iron. I hate this waffle iron. It gets extremely too hot. I burnt like the first 2 batches using this waffle iron, but I am gonna show you the nice ones that came out. I ended up making 5 waffles with this, but I only saved 3 because, you know, those first 2 burnt. My bad. Here I'm just choosing the waffles I'm going to use for my presentation. You can keep your waffles whole and just add your pudding in between your waffles if you want, but I like it like this. So here I'm just going to take my waffle and add in my pudding. You can add bananas to this as well. For those who like bananas in your banana pudding, ew, disgusting. You can put bananas in between the layers with your pudding as well. You could also add extra cookies if you want, but I just took a couple of cookies and I crumpled them up on top to make it all nice and pretty. And that's it, y'all. Banana pudding waffles. These were extremely delicious. They are thick though, like me. They're like Popeye's biscuits thick. So if you are going to eat these, make sure you have some milk on the side, something on the side to wash it down with. I didn't use maple syrup. I'm sure you can eat these with maple syrup. I didn't. Y'all let me know if you do try this recipe and you eat it with maple syrup, how it comes out, but I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. All right, y'all, make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Your girl is back, and I will see y'all in the next video.